it's Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take 5 minutes a year to make your water heater last longer. So if you have a tank water heater, whether it's gas or electric, it should have a drain valve. What you want to do is hook up a hose to the drain valve. In my case, I just got this short hose and a bucket. You could just run it outside if you want. I use the bucket so I can see what I got out of it. And I've not turned anything off. I'm just gonna open the drain valve. And you can see water coming out. Now mine's dripping a little, but so be aware, yours might too. And I closed the valve. So now any sediment that was in the bottom of this water heater, it's just kicked in, should come out and into the bucket. There's no reason to drain that whole thing to get the sediment out. If your water doesn't want to drain when you open it up, you got two options. If you have a pressure relief valve, you can just pull that up. That'll release the pressure from the top and allow the water to come down, or you can turn a faucet on in the house, preferably the closest faucet. Now let's see what we got in here. I should mention that the water is hot. Just came out of your hot water heater. And you can see it's been a year. I can already see that sediment at the bottom, right there. That's what I got out. And I actually replaced the anoid rod last year. I recorded a video last year of me replacing the anoid rod. I should probably go ahead and edit that and get that out for you. But that's the sediment that came out from the hot water heater right there. So I just do this once a year, get that sediment out. And December of 14, that's when I bought this water heater. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.